Four varieties pepper. Green pepper, red pepper, white pepper, black pepper. Same plant. Pepper go near the leaves. Peppercorns. Green pepper dry under the sun 2-3 days, then become black. That's antibacterial.
Oh yeah, that's good for so many things.
Yeah, we have powder you can use.
Oh, this is for hair removal?
Yes. After you can see the house. No burn, no anything, no any
Alright, yeah, I'll
burn.
let him be the tester out there. Yeah,
Oh, you're doing it.
You don't eat pineapple. You don't eat pineapple and tomato. I'm a student. I'm a doctor.
Whoa, bro.
Oh my god.
Whoa! I bought that for my mustache. That is fancy.
At least you see it really work.
Oh my god, maybe a little too well.
That's never gonna grow back.
It didn't burn, chemical, it didn't burn.
Wow! Yeah,
The pure natural. So is that better?
Yes, cool. Thank you.
Get a pineapple. No pineapple. Wild pineapple. Okay, wild
Oh my gosh.
pineapple. Wild
I think that was a
organic
coconut
fruit
that just fell off a tree.
For detox.
Coconut doesn't fall far from the tree.
The ladies.
This is so pretty. Oh, in Sri Lanka. Wow, this is our hotel room. It's so beautiful. I could definitely go on a honeymoon here. So cool. These beds are a little tiny. They look like little midget beds, but so cute. We have a little porch. We can go straight to the pool. Cute little couch. Very nice. More guests.
We have to order it. You have to make a reservation. Mutton also we order.
The menu's on the chalkboard, buddy.
You're so bad. Another beach. But the same ocean, technically. Ah! Oh gosh. Wrong way.